today I want to talk to you about a little device that I found on the NEEWER website that is quite amazing. And when I saw it while I was doing my order, I told myself, well, I think this can solve a lot of things. My problem is that when I'm using my camera on a shooting night, you know that little piece that you put under it to attach to your tripod or whatever. I've got this one for one of my tripod, I've got this one for another one, and I got this one for another one. They're not the same. And I've got some other device that I need to screw it into the camera. So I pass my time to just unscrew and put the other in. I'm losing time and I don't like that. I like to be efficient. And this is the solution to be more efficient for those kind of situation. The idea is that this is two pieces. This one goes on your tripod or your device, and this one remains under your camera all the time. You never remove those two parts from your device. This creates a kind of standard for all of your things. And it's really quick if the screw is well put under here. It's really quick to put on and put off. And it's really, really, really solid. So as you can see here, it's stuck on my camera. And I'll give you some example. We will move over here where you can see that I have a tripod here that I did change the original part for this one. They are Arca Swiss, by the way. So if you got an Arca Swiss plate, it will fit on it. It might not lock like the original one, but it will fit on. And when I want to put my camera on this, well, that's it. It's done. Well, now it wasn't well screwed. You have to. Usually I'm using two hands. But yeah, you see now it's fine. So if I want to remove it, all that I have to do now is to push here and it's removed. It's on and it's removed. And it's really solid. Then if I move over here, I've got this device where usually I have to turn the camera on it to screw it on. And now I just have to do that and it's done. And then if I want to use this device, what I usually have to do is to put it here, turn it to screw it. And then I've got the screw here that I need to put the camera on and turn it. And now I can just put it like that because I did put one under here. So I just put it here, there it's solid. And then I can put the camera there and it's done. Want to change it? Here, remove. There we go. That's it. Change it again. There we go. How many seconds? That's really incredible. Then, as I said, this is the original piece I have for one of my tripod, meaning that that's the Arca Swiss that go over here. But that I can take it, throw it to the garbage, and just put this little guy over here. It's the very same size. Sorry for the framing, but I just put that like that. Then you need to make sure that it's really, really well screwed because now there's nothing that will prevent it from falling if this part is not well screwed. But then I can take the camera, put it here, make sure it's solid, and then it won't fall. It's quite amazing. When I remove it, whoop, there you go. It's done. And you just put that everywhere. You see, like here, I've got this kind of tripod to do my unboxing video. And I just set it there. Voila. That's it. Want to remove it. There we go. fantastic device. Really fantastic. Like I said, I did order one for testing and now I've got 6 and I plan to order more because I just want to have this under all of my cameras and accessories, but also on all devices where I can put my cameras and accessories. So it's fantastic. So I hope this was helpful. See you on another video. See ya.